What happens when serial shoplifters push their luck too far at Target? Let's find out, because here are 5 cases when Target shoplifters think they're above the law. Number 5. Target shoplifter steals $500 twice and walks free. A man walks into Target and tries to steal an electric scooter, thinking he can get away with it. He's been trespassed from the store before for doing the same thing, but this time the store's facial recognition system flags him as soon as he steps inside. The system alerts the loss prevention team, who quickly contacts the police.
Have a seat. You speak English? Sir, you speak English? You speak English? What do you speak? Creole? What's going on?
Yeah, go ahead.
For that stuff?
Yeah, gloves on.
Hello? What's going on with you?
Sorry.
You alright, man? What's wrong? What's going on with you?
18, we're 10
I'm sorry? What'd you say?
Hey, just stand up for me real quick.
You just come right here. You're fine, man. I didn't pat him down or anything yet, so. I think LP's coming up. Hey, Adia, I think he's walking down right now if you want to make contact.
Yeah, they're all fine. What's your name? Creole?
I think he's a 20, dude.
You speak Creole?
I think he's a 20. He's
20?
Yeah.
Police can go to jail too.
Yep.
What's your name? Name? What's your name?
He looks like he might have a wallet in his back right pocket.
Does he stand up for me? Stand up. All right, have a seat again. Have a seat. Hey, how you doing?
The officer tries to figure out his language, suspecting it might be Creole, but communication remains a challenge.
I think he might be a 20. I think he might be a 20. He's like not really talking and...
Yeah?
I don't know. He was just out here putting it together.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Yeah, that scooter.
why do you say a cart? I mean, how you driving a cart with a scooter?
I think he drove that electric cart out here with the scooter.
Okay, how you driving a cart?
Yeah, he had no care in the world. He was just putting it together.
Hey, 54 on the 30, they don't prosecute on that.
Oh, okay.
But the trespass warning.
Adia, they said they don't want to prosecute, so just a trespass.
You know what to do?
No.
Go for the trespass warning. They won't, because they just don't have enough people. You're on the right guys. That's fine. What up, yeah?
All right.
Yeah. All right.
Are you guys good?
Are you guys good?
All right, thank you.
Good.
Yeah. You have his name?
He's not talking. Appears to be on signal 20.
What's your name, man?
You guys okay if we reclaim this one?
Yeah, what is this called? Bird
It's a
scooter?
bird electric scooter. I can get you a price for it.
Yeah, bird electric scooter. It's
$499.
no,
$499.
Hey, watch him. Let me get a statement from him. All right, tell me what happened real quick.
All right,
Is that part of it?
yeah, it is. So it was brought to my attention that the gentleman was in here. He was flagged by as someone who's been trespassing here before
Okay.
for the exact same theft, unfortunately.
The store's representative explains that the man was caught taking an electric scooter, just like in the past.
That I do not know what that was.
Okay, go ahead.
But so unfortunately, like he looked like he was doing the exact same thing that he did the last time, where he went straight back with an electric cart to grab one of these and attempt to steal it. So I immediately came out trying to figure out like where this guy was located. We went to go block the exits. I partnered with the gentleman who's in charge for asset protection for our entire store, and he asked me to please call you guys, as this gentleman has been trespassed in the past.
Okay, so what would you like to do now?
Yes, sir.
I believe off of his instructions, we're just going to process for the trespass. But
Okay. All right, now here's what I need you to do. All right. Michael, he has something to say to you, all right, sir?
Michael, unfortunately, you have been trespassed from this location. You cannot enter the store under any circumstances. If you do enter the store, unfortunately, we will continue to process and trespass.
Also, too, Michael, just so you understand that, Michael, that you're not allowed back in the store at no time between a year from now. If you was already trespassed before, then you added more to that. You're not allowed back, okay? If you do, whether you take something or you do not take anything, you will be subject to arrest if you're on the property. Also, so you know, Michael, whenever you enter the store, they have a face recognition where when you enter the door, it scans your face, which alert them inside the LP office to let them know that one of the person that been trespassed before are in the store. So do not try it, man, because like I said, they got a face recognition whenever you enter the door. Automatically, it'll alert them and it'll alert us. That's how we was able to get here that quickly, because we also get that notification. Okay.
After informing the man of the consequences of his actions, the officer coordinates with Target's representative to finalize the trespass order.
Let me get your name and also I'm going to need you to sign the refusal.
Okay.
With his so he came in the store, went to electronic, grabbed the thing, and then went out the store, and that's when he was alerted by one of your employees.
Yeah, we were alerted as he came in.
Yeah, as he came in.
And then
whenever he came in, do not wait. Just automatically get him out. You know what I mean? Call him up.
We unfortunately have to follow our chain.
I understand.
So I just have to get a hold of the right person.
Okay. All right. Yeah, fill this out for me. All right. You have any questions for me, sir?
I think we're all good.
All right.
Thank you very much.
How much y'all sell that scooter for now?
$4.99.
How much now?
Yeah.
Probably it depends on what the system will tell us. We'll probably have to defect it.
What does that mean?
Defect, we'll end up having to send it back to the manufacturer and they'll repack it.
Really?
Yeah.
Then y'all sell it full price again?
Probably.
How fast does it go?
Probably somewhere on here.
If that's changed, let me know. If y'all gonna sell an open box.
All right.
My number is on there. I'm not my number, my name is on there.
All right.
Just say call a Target. All right.
All right, man.
All right.
Take it easy.
Okay, let me watch him. Let me make sure that I have it in my system. All right. All right.
I'm watching him, bro. Chill. Hey, you want to put him in your car in the meantime while you fill out the paperwork?
Put him in the car.
All right. Come here. Come on. What's up? Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Ready. He's just gonna write up the paperwork and then let you go, okay?
Alright. Alright, so step out.
Before letting the man go, the officer takes his photo for documentation and gives him a court notice.
Alright, I'm going to take a picture of you, okay? An updated picture of you. There's a sun over here. Bring him over here and there's the sun. I don't know why it's so blurry. Spaced out. Face me. Let me take a full body of him. Back up a little bit. Move out the way a little bit so I can do a full body of him. No, you good. You good. I'm always trying to do the opposite. I'm trying to get you out of there. All right. Just need to fill out this paperwork for me, all right, Michael? Come over here, sir. All right, Michael. Listen, I'm releasing you with a notice to appear, meaning that you're gonna have a court date at the Delray Beach Courthouse, May 20th at 8:30, which is next month. If any reason you can't make it, as soon as you know you cannot make it, call them so they don't put a bench warrant out on you if you miss court, okay? I don't want you to miss court, all right, man? I'm also going to write it in the back for you after you sign it. All right, sir? Here's what I need you to do. I need you to sign, acknowledge that I let you go, I release you with a notice to appear. All right, Michael? Right here, sir. Do you have, no, you can keep that. Do you have any questions for me? All right. Hey, man, listen, you can't be doing that, man. I understand things get rough, but it doesn't get that rough where you have to take things that don't belong to you. All right? And you was grateful that, be grateful that they didn't want to press charges, man. Because you could have been taking that trip to the bar hotel right now. You know? So, listen, you're not allowed back here. Okay? If you come back here again, this same thing gonna happen. And eventually, I'm gonna have to take you to downtown. All right? You can grab all your stuff. That's yours, man. You can keep that.
What do you think? Should the man have been arrested? Or was Target right to just give him a trespass warning this time? Number 4. Mom arrested after shoplifting baby clothes at Target. A woman is caught shoplifting at Target, attempting to steal clothing and bedding items. Here's what happens when the officers confront her.
I just had a son, my nanny. I was just trying to make it clothes that fit. Everything's so expensive. I was out of work for 3 months.
Okay. Let's just deal with today. That's definitely something you're going to want to explain to the judge, but right now let's just deal with getting our processing done, and then we'll get you where you got to go.
I'm not the
No, I got
criminal.
you. I got you.
I would send you where? Happens with people all ages.
All right, how you doing?
You probably don't want to go to her car because the phone's there.
Okay. Oh, we'll sort through it.
Oh, I believe so. Because of your total.
Oh, ma'am. How are you doing?
But like I'm saying, it'll be a summons in the mail. If this is your first time, you'll be in
Okay, because
now.
my son's getting picked up at 6. He's coming to my house,
Gotcha.
and I need to be home.
Do you have a bookmark?
For which? For
The push out.
So you're gonna take
no,
me
no.
with me?
Yes, ma'am. We got to do some paperwork, a little bit of processing, then we'll get you out. All right? We're not trying to drag it out. We're not going to make it
So I have
long.
to call somebody to come pick me up?
Well, here's your car here.
Yes.
We'll try to give you right back here. All right? Then we'll drop you right back off of your car, hopefully in a short amount of time, and you get where you have to go.
She renders payment for, I believe it's 2 items at self-checkout, but everything else in the cart was unpaid. I also have prior instances on her.
Okay.
Should be in here somewhere. That's okay.
Yep.
As they review her history, they discover prior incidents of shoplifting, something the woman doesn't seem fully aware of.
And then she just leaves self-checkout. You'll see me. I stop her in the vestibule. She complies and comes back to the office.
But and I don't mean to be on this kind of prior incidences. There's nothing that I'm aware of, so I don't understand why they wouldn't.
You wouldn't be aware of it until I make contact with you that I have prior instances.
Yeah, but
So here's what I have for you.
It's
Today we're dealing with today. Whatever prior things are going on, you may get it in the mail. And when obviously you're gonna have to go to court for today, right? Makes sense. When you go to court, the judge is gonna hear everything. All right. So if there's prior things or not, today's thing, everything's gonna get heard usually at the same time. Okay. So I don't know about previous things either. I know about what I'm hearing right now. That's it.
I canceled my husband this because he's doing. Can we just make this?
You're an
as
adult.
possible?
You're an adult. We don't tell people your business. So it's up to you who you tell, whatever you tell to.
Here's
Here's the total.
Thank you.
Case number.
Is this mostly clothing? Is that what this is?
Clothing and
See,
bedding.
she's bedding.
Yeah.
I just want to hang it.
What's Knox Rose? Is that clothing?
Yes.
All right. Do you have ID with you?
Yeah.
You and me. I thought this was me. I thought this was me. You and me. I'm not doing practice or what you're doing. I don't know. Whatever you want.
The officers go through the items she stole and explain the next steps in the process.
All items were returned, clothing and bedding.
Okay.
She goes to the self-checkout, brings up 2 items, and then not the rest.
Okay.
Push out, no concealment.
What's the what's clothing with that?
So Knox Rose is all clothing. This casual Luna, the duvet, that's all the bedding. Brought all that is going to be clothing.
So all that's clothing.
Yep.
That's pretty simple.
I was explaining to her we're going to try and make this as quick as possible, as painless as possible. We'll probably get her back here to a car. That way she could be on her way. Obviously, she's concerned about the situation.
I have to pick up my son. I just had a son, my nanny. I was just trying to make it close and fit. Everything's so expensive. I was out of work for 3 months.
Okay.
Let's just deal with today. That's definitely something you're going to want to explain to the judge. But right now, let's just deal with getting our processing done, and then we'll get you where you got to go.
I'm not the
No, I got
criminal.
you. I got you.
I would send you where? Happens with people all ages.
I am a criminal. Just
246 Ocean. You have a case number?
246 case number is 13358.
If you guys want to transfer her, I'll wait for the disc. Not process disc. She's not searched. Just
what I just now.
So, ma'am, here's how it works. So we're going to bring you to headquarters. We're going to process you, like I said, as fast as we can. At that point, a judge gets contacted. Generally, being the circumstances of what happened here today, we usually see people released on a summons. We don't make that determination, though. The judge does. But generally, people get released on a summons. All that is they get a court date. It's almost like a ticket. All right, so you're going to have to go to court. There's no question about that. All right?
The woman is visibly concerned about her husband, as she doesn't want him to know about the arrest due to their strained relationship.
Can I get my cell phone in my car? Can you walk me to my car? Is that...
Hold on.
Okay,
So no, it's all right. It's all right. Did you have somebody you wanted to contact in reference to what's going on, or?
I just want to make sure if my husband calls me and I can answer and make up some sort of story.
I'll send it to you as soon as I have everything.
I understand.
Where does he think you went right now?
Just need to grab the
Did he know you were coming to Target?
And then
Tandy and Target, but if this, we're already on rocky terms and I don't want to go home.
So you're an adult. You don't have to tell him exactly what happened. Obviously,
I can't tell him what happened.
Yeah, you don't have to tell him what happened today.
She was scared.
So does he track your phone, like your location and everything?
just have to get the entrance and then I'll send
That
it
you
all
know
to
of?
Well, some people share their location. Like,
Do you share your location with him? Because what I'm getting at, it's probably better if you just leave your phone here, because you're going to be with us for probably less than an hour,
Okay.
in and out. My
Okay.
goal is to get you in and out, because I want to go home at 7 o'clock. I'm just being 100% honest with you.
Okay.
The quicker we go down, we can do everything, the quicker we'll get you out. You're not going to be there all night. You're going to be there an hour, if that.
and then they'll hopefully bring you back to your car.
Yeah.
I assume so.
You get out of here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
As part of the procedure, officers search her belongings and pat her down to ensure she isn't bringing anything into jail.
Is this your bag?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we just have to look, make sure you don't have anything you're not supposed to have. Vomit, pain, speed down. You know, just have your basic stuff in here.
Yes.
Just glasses, right?
Yes.
Just open that up real quick. Is that makeup bag?
Yes.
Just open it up.
Oh, it's my prescription. These are all prescription.
Yep. All right, zip it back up. Your pockets on your, okay, you can put that back in.
Planner.
So you want to wait for the?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, you guys go.
All right, we'll do that. I'll take her and then.
Right, now we get going here.
Super cool.
I'm sorry.
Nope. It is what it is.
What about this stuff on the table? Is this
This
all?
is her.
I don't even care about it anymore.
Well,
Just
if you purchased it, it's your property now.
Yeah.
So we gotta take it.
Yeah, this is purchased.
Yeah, get those back in the bag. They'll probably fit in there.
Did you enter with the Target bags that are in the cart?
yes,
The red
these are my-
bags?
these are my bags.
Okay.
So you go in those bags.
Okay. I guess all the merch was concealed.
Oh, in the bags?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good for her. More effort. I appreciate when they put in more effort than just pushing it right out.
Easier?
Yeah, that works. Thank you. Correction. Merchandise concealed in reusable bags.
Okay.
Right?
That's what it was in.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of bags in there.
Okay.
No, I've been shopping there since
Oh, I
I
got
was
you.
17. I'm 30.
How do you pronounce your last
Is
name?
your advisor in the no trust
Jordan.
Jordan?
No.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Yeah, I do.
This is admission.
Last thing, just stand up.
You gotta get a little bit of paperwork from them first. Look with this.
Just turn around, face the wall. We're just gonna check you real quick, make sure you have nothing on you. Just put your hands against the wall.
Nothing on you, right?
No.
Just the back of my head, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Alright, should I
I don't know if they need her to sign anything for this. I'm not sure.
What's that?
I don't know if they need her to sign it.
No, do we really have to put in here?
Yeah, unfortunately, we have a lot of policies, and this is one of them. It doesn't mean anything besides we're just trying to follow our policies. We're not saying you're a bad person or anything like that. Things we have to do. Everything, since the moment we met you, everything's recorded. So all of our cameras are on and everything like that, so.
So we're gonna give this to you. It's a no trespass notice. You can't come back to Target. All right.
She's then issued a no trespass order, banning her from all Target stores for at least a year.
So is it all Targets or just this one?
Just this Target.
Just this Target.
One
So if you're
year.
gonna
Oh, 1
shop-
year. That's not bad.
So 1 year, if you got to shop, go how?
If you end up coming back here and they call us, you're subject to get arrested just for being here. You don't even have to do anything. So steer clear of the store for at least a year. All right?
We'll park right outside, so we'll walk right out, get in our car, and we'll get you out of here. All right.
Thank you. And I'll email that to you.
What do you email?
We don't do.
Oh, no, yeah.
Yeah.
I was just talking to Chris the other day.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to email what? It's like a hyperlink then?
Yeah, it'll be a Outlook file, OneDrive file, one of those two.
Okay.
OneDrive sounds great.
Is it a file or is it like a link to the file? Because I don't know if our
It'll
email's
probably be
going
like a link to the
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think our email's going to handle one of the files you want to send us.
I sent the last one to the officer that was just here. You didn't.
And it made it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a one.
Oh, that's a link. Yeah. All right, do you have his email? Or do you want
Yeah.
my email?
Yeah, I have his email. He told me to send it to him.
Yep. All right, very good.
Where is it?
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, that's right. They don't. Nobody out here. Go right there.
Take a seat. Just gonna reach across for the seatbelt, okay? Okay. 316 Ocean, 1 female 41.
1723.
Despite her cooperation, she'll face the legal consequences of her actions.
The what?
Okay.
Thank you guys. I
Do you have any
appreciate it.
questions?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Good.
you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
She was transported to the station, charged with shoplifting, and processed. Afterward, Ashley was returned to her vehicle at Target and released with a court summons. Number 3. 80-year-old grandmother caught shoplifting at Target for the third time. In late February, officers respond to a call from a Target in Florida about an elderly shoplifter. Loss prevention staff are watching as an 80-year-old woman hides jewelry in her purse while also buying a few items to appear as a regular shopper. As she attempts to leave the store, officers are already waiting for her.
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay.
I'll show you.
Can I have your purse, please?
Sure. Here's the box. This is it. I didn't know what it was. I wanted to be sure, and I paid for it. Here's the receipt.
We're going to ask you a few questions, okay? But before we do, I'm just going to read you your Miranda rights. All right?
I'm sorry.
Before we ask you some questions, I'm just going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Yes, I've been in trouble before with you.
You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights? Are you willing to talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. So in the past, have you been
Yes. In here.
in the past have you been trespassed from this
Yeah.
Target before?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
What were you
I-
trespassed for?
For taking something.
Okay. And what brings you back here?
I did what I had to do when I like shopping here.
Okay, will you explain the trespass warning?
I called and they said it was okay.
Called who?
Whoever is responsible.
When questioned, she denies stealing, but admits to being previously trespassed from the store.
Okay. When were you trespassed?
It's been a few years.
Do you have anything on paper that says your trespass has been lifted?
No.
Any kind of documentation to prove that your trespass was lifted?
No.
Okay.
I called though.
Did you steal anything today?
Say again?
Did you steal anything today?
No.
Did you open any packages
Yes.
today? Which one?
I-
That one?
Yes.
Did you open any other packages?
And that.
Okay.
Yes.
Where are the other rings that are in it? The earrings that are missing.
Everybody can see.
No. Not
Yes,
that I know of, unless it fell out.
Did you take anything from these packages?
No. I just opened that one to be sure of what it was because I wasn't sure. And I told her before I paid for it.
Okay.
So we're not going to find the missing earrings in your pockets or in your
No,
purse?
it's not earrings. They're stick-on things.
Okay, but we're not going to find those items in your purse?
Not that I
These are
know.
earrings.
They are. I know. Now I know.
Okay. So we're not going to find the missing ones.
They're missing.
So Joanna, what we're referencing, we saw on camera and in person, you open these packages and there was multiple times where these items fell on
Because
the
I-
floor. Hold on, let me finish. So where you had to physically bend down to pick them up.
Yeah.
Where are those?
I probably put it back in there.
there any items
No,
missing
I
on this
just
one?
paid for those.
Okay. This package was opened. Was this paid for?
Yes.
Okay.
I gave you the receipt. There's the receipt. $19.99, I think.
If you want to go over the receipt with it.
Yeah.
We got Q-tips and then Carefree pads.
The officers then inspect her shopping bags and continue their questioning.
I didn't know. I didn't know.
It still has the
Joanna, we're asking
white markings
questions
on it.
that we know the answers to. We're hoping you're going to be honest with us here, because this is not the first time we've dealt with you.
I know that.
So then, we're not trying to pull your leg or pull any tricks on you.
I did put it back.
In your purse.
You put it in your purse,
No.
man. And then you did not pay for those items, and you walked past the final points of sale out to the parking lot. 23rd of 2021. You were issued a trespass warning, notifying you that you are no longer welcome onto this property. Okay, do you remember this?
Not that I wasn't welcome here. After
Okay.
I went and...
Did the deputy explain what this is? You were issued a piece of paper. It looked just like this, but it was a pink copy. The deputy explained that you're no longer allowed on this property, inside and on the parking lot property.
I had calls.
Okay, and just like he was saying earlier, do you have any proof as to
No.
that you called and you were allowed to come back?
No, I've been
Okay.
coming here
So-
for a couple of years.
We have no indication saying that you are welcome back onto this property. Okay, so right now you are currently trespassing according to this trespass
I'm
warning.
sorry.
Okay.
I'm still
And
not
then-
welcome here?
The trespass warning has not been lifted. It has no expiration on it.
How do you do that then?
You have to contact
I did.
and you have to get full documentation proving that you are allowed to come back here and that this trespass warning has been lifted.
I have to have it in writing, you mean?
Yes, ma'am. And you have to have signatures from the target themselves.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do
And also, like he was saying, we have you in person and on camera opening up this package and collecting 2 items out of this, the earrings, and putting them into your purse.
It
Okay.
wasn't too much. They couldn't be in the purse.
Okay.
I know I dropped one on the floor and I put it back.
These earrings have these little white
And
things
maybe they're
that come
still on
in.
the floor.
She continues to deny the allegations against her, but the officers are not convinced.
Secure them in this package. This earring still has the.
This one came out of your purse.
I don't remember doing that. I'm sorry.
We're just
I
trying to
don't know
have
how
you be truthful to us.
I am
okay?
being truthful. I didn't
Okay.
know I took it. I had no idea.
Do you have pockets on that jacket?
No.
Do you have pockets in your pants?
No.
Are you wearing any of the rings or anything?
No, these are mine.
Okay. Did you happen to walk past
Have a seat,
the aisle?
Brian. Have a seat.
Which one?
The aisle where she dropped
Have a
those
seat.
items, see if there was.
Yeah, I was
other
actually
ones.
telling dispatch, so I hope it's in the notes with a timestamp, but the 2 times that I saw her drop them on the floor, she picked them back up. So
I picked,
Both of
I
the
picked
earrings?
Yeah.
one
Okay,
earring.
so there's still
I
one
didn't
earring.
know another one.
I can go to those 2 spots just to make sure.
Yeah, if you don't mind, because we're missing one right now.
Under arrest.
For sure.
Okay.
I'm under arrest.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, please don't do this
Okay, I'll
right
wait.
now.
Let's see if they have
My
them.
husband just had a stroke. He had an open heart surgery.
I'm sorry.
And I just had to.
You guys have the statement paperwork and the willingness to prosecute paperwork, anything like that?
There's a bunch of blanks over there.
On the floor?
Yeah, that was on the second of the 2 instances. I was on the phone with dispatch at that point too.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
I did not take it intentionally. It might have fallen in my purse. I put my purse in the...
We located the other earring on the floor. Do you guys want to pursue charges on the trespassing?
On the, yeah.
Okay, do you guys want to pursue charges on the one earring that was removed from the box? Taylor? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll ask him.
As they investigate further, she continues to plead her innocence.
I just
Prosecute for the
turned
theft
80
and
years
the
old. My husband is 85, and I'm very forgetful.
Yeah, I apologize for that. I mean, we've had children in here as young as 10 years old.
I know.
I don't really discriminate when it comes to shoplifting. People come in all shapes
But
and
I
sizes.
didn't do anything.
What do you mean? You pulled it out of your purse.
I didn't put it in there. It
Well,
might have fallen in there, but I
the beauty-
didn't put it.
The beauty of
I
America.
did drop.
Listen. The beauty of America is that there will be your time in court. That time
Did we
is
find
not
a deal on
now.
there?
This is not a courtroom. No.
What are you looking for? Can you please tell me what you're looking for?
The driver's license. They have it already done.
They're getting the statement done
I
right now.
didn't do that intentionally.
They have all that?
Believe me.
They just don't have like victim's brochure, but I can give them the case number themselves if they need.
On the ground?
No, it was right there in front of me. I was holding it half the time, and I had it in the cart for a while. I didn't. It was not intentional.
Charlie, 223 teletype.
Really, I wouldn't do that. It wasn't even an expensive. That's why I didn't put it back, because I'm allergic to that.
The price is irrelevant.
What's my 1040?
Can I do anything?
No.
Can you let me come to work here or something?
Can I
And
let
I'll
you
work
come?
it. I will. I used to be in sales. I used to
The
be in
store
the
that
medical
you've stolen
field,
from
and
twice now is not going to let you come work here. It's
but
not.
I didn't steal
This
it.
isn't.
10-4, thank you.
This isn't the good old days where you worked off your.
However, the officers move forward with the arrest.
Juvenile action. You're not a kid.
No,
You're not a
I never.
15-year-old.
I didn't steal when I was younger.
You're a grown
He's
card.
very sick right now.
Did you pay for that with a card?
Yes.
Do you want to return
I
it?
believe.
Do you want to return these items? Because they're not gonna take it up to jail.
Which card
I
did
don't
you
want
use?
to go to jail, please.
Sam, we're not going to go back and forth. Which card did you use to pay for the items?
The Target card, I believe.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there a PIN number to go along with that?
Yes.
Let's go do a return at the register.
You gonna take all that?
Come on, come with me.
Please don't do this.
Is there a receipt? Do you have
We're
the
trying to work
receipt?
with you.
I put it in one of the bags, actually.
We're trying to work with you.
I have a hard time walking.
No, you don't. I watch you zoom through the store.
I can use the card when I lean on the card.
Okay. Return.
Okay. Everything here is returned.
Should you just scan this at all or not?
No, I'll go ahead and put the return receipt on the schedule.
Hi, man. We're going to walk back this way. We're off, baby.
We're going back in the same room.
The 80-year-old is now left to deal with the painful consequences of her actions.
Man, this is going back in your wallet, okay?
Yes.
You just can't go to the jail.
I have that for protection.
Okay.
I do. We had a close friend up in New York, and in the shopping center that was near our home, there was a knife slasher that was slashing women's legs underneath the cars.
Are you able to get the video?
Yeah.
We got you.
Perfect. And
It's all on.
a receipt for the item?
Yeah. For sure. You want it for just that one box, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Can one of you guys do that? Yeah. Is that package right there on that table?
Sorry.
You're good.
Yeah, it's right
I'll
there.
be back later.
You didn't get the other.
It's fine, we'll be back.
Is there a approximate value of the earring on the witness statement?
There will be. When
Okay.
we get the training receipt, I'll just wait.
Okay,
till
no problem.
it matches what you guys have.
Perfect.
And I'm not allowed to come back no more.
That's what you were told in 2021,
Yes, I'm allowed.
that you're not allowed. That even means the parking lot in front of Target as well,
I
okay?
called and spoke to someone here.
Okay, but we have no proof to confirm that.
I didn't know. I don't know anything about that.
We're not gonna put handcuffs on you until you sit in this car.
Shortly after, the woman is escorted to the patrol car. They arrest her for both shoplifting and trespassing. To make matters worse, she has 2 pending theft cases in another county. Number 2. Thief abandons kids in hot car to steal $1,000 worth of goods from Target. A woman enters Target with her kids, trying to shoplift after being caught before. When security notices, she makes a run for it, nearly leaving her child behind. Here's what unfolds when the police arrive.
That I have on her, but just dealing with today.
Okay.
Miss Latasha, she's more than capable of speaking, but she did let me know that she's living out of a hotel right now. She's having a hard time managing and paying for her stuff. Any relatives or anybody here. Her mom was just calling from New York, she said. If you want to chat with her, you're more than welcome to.
I understand. I understand.
All right. So, right quick, are you gonna?
I would like to prosecute and trespass for this incident. Majority of the time, yes, she was here last night and she did steal alcohol last night as well. She stole alcohol today, but those are the most like frivolous things I've seen, things like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna start compiling on my end.
I'm actually gonna.
Do you mind if I take a picture?
Oh, sure. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Technically, I placed you into investigative detention, but since you have your daughter with you, I'm not gonna put you in handcuffs right now. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm Deputy String with the Seminole County Sheriff's Office. Okay. At this point, you are in investigative detention, but for this, like I say, for the sake of your daughter right now, I'm not going to do that. Okay. But here's the thing: if you try to run out this door,
I'm not.
yeah, and then we're in a whole totally different situation. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and read your Miranda right now.
Is that a baby in the car? No, don't touch. Oh, so they have 2 young kids in the car and a baby in the car. Okay, might as well call DCF.
You have your ID on you?
No.
So, hold on, give me 1 second. Hey, what's going on? Do you have kids in your car? Do you have children in your car? Do you have children in your car?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Let me. Give me a second. I'm gonna read her Miranda. I'll call.
The officers assess the situation swiftly and talk to the woman, who admits she's going through tough times.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand each of these rights?
Yes.
Will you talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So the incident today, what was going on with it?
I just needed some clothes for them.
Okay.
Just makeup.
Okay.
That was it. Like, I'm living in a hotel. I'm just having a hard time right now.
I get it, and we all have hard times.
I know.
So, but we have a bigger issue right now. How many children are in your car right now?
2.
2 kids. What are their ages?
My son is 10.
10 and
My daughter is
1. So you got a 10-year-old and a 1-year-old in the car. That's it. Okay. All right. And then how old is? She's 4. Hi. 4. Okay. I thought they were babies, like an infant in the car. Okay. That kind of got me. I'm like, what are we doing? All right. So have you been here before? Okay. And what has taken place before? Why you came to this particular Target?
There was no particular Target, just that my son go to school in the area.
So how many times have you been at this Target right here and stolen items?
I don't remember. I'm not sure.
So it's just been a whole bunch of times. Okay. And have your children been present with you while you've done it? Like physically in the store? Maybe.
Yeah,
okay. Because that's also a completely different charge. Because you are committing a crime in the presence of juveniles. So I'm not taking the arrest. Somebody else is going to take it. I'm here to pretty much kind of fill it until that person comes. Now, I will, whatever it is that what you're telling me right now, I will relay it to the arresting deputy, and it'll be up to them what they want.
They also explain the serious consequences of committing a crime in front of her children.
But I'm just letting you know what you're pretty much dealing with right now. You're committing a crime in the presence of your children. We're dealing with 2 different crimes right now, okay? So again, I'm gonna leave that up to them. Whatever it is that he wants to do with it, then that's him, okay?
So will we take them?
Do you have anybody that can come and get them?
I can try and find somebody, please.
I mean, you can give us a second. Again, here's the thing. You kind of put yourself in a bad situation. I get and honestly, we all go through trying times. To be honest with you, so am I, okay? But
I understand.
You get what I'm saying? I mean, I don't want to kind of beat a dead horse.
I know.
Okay. All right. So you are trespassed from this particular Target. Okay. If you do come back to this Target, you will be subject to arrest. Okay. I do have to take a photo of you. Okay. Did you get the vehicle open?
I can just open it.
They got the vehicle open.
They broke the window.
I can't say if they broke it or not, but if your 10-year-old is in the car, pretty sure he opened up the door for them.
Yes. 4513. That's 10-4. Hey. So I'm gonna leave this car open so you. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this car open so you guys can get some fresh air, okay?
Alright.
What's your name? And that's your sister, brother?
Yeah.
You're gonna be in the 5th grade?
Yeah.
And to make sure you guys getting some air conditioning. Make sure you guys get some air over there, okay?
Like I said, I'm gonna wait for the other deputy to see what he wants to do, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Once the children are safe and in the care of an adult, the officers proceed with the arrest.
Chocolate, king, bullseye.
You got cookies?
Do you have the information if he's picking up the kids or?
Yeah, I got it. I'll put it in this room.
Okay, thank you.
You are.
Did you get her? It's right there in the Target. Yes. They're right there. They're by the Circle K.
And they're on their way?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, do you want to put your phone in your purse?
Okay. Is it possible I can just leave it with them?
The purse?
Yeah.
That's up to you.
Yeah, I trust this person.
So they are taking the stuff? I thought you just told her.
No, I told her that they were taking the stuff because I don't know like how this works. I've never been to jail, so I have to take. I don't know like how long I'm gonna be there. So they need food to eat.
Okay. Go ahead and stand up. Turn your hands behind your back.
Shortly after, the father arrives to pick them up.
Just come pick up the kids?
You are?
Yeah, I'm the dad.
What's your name?
sorry?
Your name?
Yeah. Could you tell me what happened?
Yeah, if you want to close the doors. Yeah. So their mom got caught stealing out of there, and so she's gone to jail.
No, not stealing. Stealing?
Yeah.
What? Now, when you say stealing, as in what?
I don't know exactly what she took or what she, and of course this isn't the first time. So,
So, let me call you right back. Let me ask you a question. Is there like bail or anything like that?
yeah, it's probably depending on what it is. As of right now, it's probably $500. It could be more. I don't know. She have a Florida license.
Is it possible I can pay that now?
No, you won't be able to pay it. It'll take some time. Ego, our loss prevention officer.
Are you related to the subject?
Yes.
That's the dad.
This is all the stuff that she actually paid for. She didn't want it refunded. She said that she would like for it to go with you guys so they take the food. Some of it is frozen.
Now let me ask a question. What, like, this is what she stole?
No.
What did she steal? Exactly?
She actually asked us if we could not disclose information to whoever was coming to pick up. It will obviously be public record and you'll be able to see it anyway. But I'll just say this isn't the first time.
No, she's never did this before.
I'm saying this isn't the first time at the store. I'm telling you it's not.
That she did this?
She's done this many times. I have documented incidents on, I think, probably 7 or so. But I'm only charging her for the one today. I will say that
she has children in the car. That's
absolutely.
What I'm saying.
I told them that. We knew that she had children in the car before we even stopped her.
The shock and disbelief is evident as he learns about the woman's actions.
So she was...
She just didn't pay for some stuff, but I'm...
what's in that pocket right there?
It's a pen.
The pen?
Yeah.
Let's walk you this way real fast. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go in there and grab it.
That's good.
Alright. Yeah, we were fine. So I'm just gonna tell you right now, anything else you have on you, if it's introduced into the jail, it's gonna be another charge, you understand?
Anything but?
Anything else on you? Any other contraband?
Knives, guns, or anything like that? Any kind of substance?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay. We're just explaining, if you introduce it to the jail after this point, it is introduction of contraband.
Okay, I don't have anything.
Okay.
The woman is eventually arrested, facing multiple charges, including grand theft and committing a crime in the presence of a delinquent. She's sentenced to only 3 months of probation. Number 1. Shoplifters who stole $30,000 from Target finally captured. Officers respond to a shoplifting call at Target, where loss prevention reports a man and woman with a history of stealing TVs. The suspects abandon a cart full of fire sticks and leave the store, raising suspicion. When the officers approach the suspects in the parking lot, they initially deny the allegations.
Is that them right there? Just stand here, see if they walk in. Bravo 2, they might be walking out the the grocery side.
Yes, I told them like
Walk with me.
mandatory.
Walk with me. I'm going to use you as a distraction. I'm going to act like we're good old friends. See if this people walk out. Hey.
She left everything in the cart.
Hey, right here. Tuck away. Nope, you're good. Man. They're walking out the grocery side now.
Alright, do they have them? They still have the TV, so you pop me out the door.
Okay. All right, go ahead and stop them. They got the other stolen TVs in their car going on the LP.
Is it the black male and female?
Yeah. Hey, sir. Let me talk to you for a minute. Yeah. Loss prevention called on y'all.
On me?
Yeah, I guess the other Target caught you guys stealing TVs earlier today.
Not me.
It's fine. They just want you guys criminally trespass. I guess you guys have a history at Target or something?
We don't even live here.
Oh, so then why are you guys over here?
No, we don't. We don't live. No, we don't live in Atlanta.
They were requesting us criminally trespass suit that's in the state of Georgia. Anybody can keep a criminally trespass.
Right.
Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys warnings.
Okay.
You guys got your IDs on you. Something about how other targets.
But let me tell you though,
Yeah.
we don't even live in Atlanta. We just here visiting family.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm saying they believe y'all to be some serial shoplifters.
Did you leave the cart?
The police request the suspects' IDs and question them further.
Full of stuff.
They saw you guys taking some fire.
And then you just ditched the cart and took off?
No, I don't have my ID, but I can give you my name and everything.
Is it going to come back?
Yeah, sure.
So like I said, I'm not really trying to make this a big deal.
No big deal.
This is one of the things that I guess they have footage of. What other store?
So they just came from the Canton store. They took 2 TVs from that location. Not to mention all the fire stations.
Get code 5 for me. I'm going to call Canton.
Wait, y'all chill for a sec.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Ayana. I-Y.
How do you spell it?
I.
Hey, can you contact Canton PD? Allegedly, they had these 2 shoplifters shoplift 2 TVs from their store today. If you can reach out, see if they had any shopliftings there. We all up in Canton.
I don't even know where Kansas is, to be honest.
No, Canton.
575.
No, we literally just came here.
If does your car have 2 big TVs in it?
No.
No.
We're waiting for my sister actually. Yeah, you can run it back.
Okay, can you unlock your car?
Check.
What?
You know where the other target is? Where they still?
I'm on the phone with Canton trying to get that.
Okay, it's Canton.
Yeah, I'm already on top of it, boss.
All right, but we don't have anything.
They want a criminal trespass. That's
Right,
it.
but they didn't steal anything from here.
They were attempting to, and then he looks like they dumped the cart when they saw us.
Okay.
But why did you ditch the cart truck before you came out?
I was gonna, I was actually, cause I know I usually like sell stuff resell, and there was too much, so I just said I was just gonna leave it.
The officers are informed that the suspects had previously stolen 2 TVs from a nearby Target earlier that day.
And we're trying to figure out if they have TVs in their car.
Yeah, Kat just said there's 2 32-inch TVs.
There's?
That's what Kat said. Do you know where he is?
Hold on. Phone.
Did they file a report in Canton for those TVs? And what kind of TVs were they?
You said they had shoplifted inside the Hayden Canton?
Yeah.
No, they didn't. Not according to my people.
There's 2 TVs in the car.
That's him walking out 30 minutes ago.
Did they file a report?
That's what he's trying to do right now.
I mean, if they say they got you on surveillance taking stuff,
Well,
I mean, I don't know. You guys just want to like come clean, or?
I mean, we can just wait on you.
And they didn't take anything here?
They grabbed all the fire sticks like they were going to, like they usually do.
Okay.
But they ditched it right there and saw, assuming when they saw you guys.
Okay.
Because they were like, oh no.
Do you guys have any other
I have a case from when they stole from me like a week ago.
here?
Okay.
And what is that case? You have that case number you able to pull up from here?
Yeah, I can go pull it up.
All right, yeah. Go grab as many as you have for them from here, and then we can open it.
They go up and down the states. They don't have like.
Yeah, yeah.
What's their current total? Like everything.
Suspected.
$16,000 for $14,500.
30, almost 30.
They hit
I
my
mean,
her before.
so it depends on what Kent wants to do.
Yeah, I mean at this point, because they didn't steal anything here.
Oh, there's 3 TVs in the car?
Yeah, so that's Canton. So if Canton, that's why I was telling Shank and telling Chandler, if Canton says, yeah, that's our people, and we're going to come pick them up, then.
Although they haven't stolen anything from the current store, they learned that the suspects have a history of shoplifting, with an estimated $16,000 worth of goods stolen in total across various locations.
We'll search them, and then we'll put them in the back of our cars. Stand by for Canton PD.
So, Canton has photos of you and you pushing out TVs. We got the TVs in the back seat of your car right now. So we know you did it. It's just a matter of if they're going to actually press criminal charges or not, or if they just want their property back. Some of these times when they get their property back, it's just like, okay, cool, just give us our stuff back and we'll all be good. But it really just depends on what that target wants to do.
Whatever you got.
No. The pictures are clear as day, though, so I'm not even going to sit here and it's one of those things that's clear cut. You're not, I mean, like I said, you've been cool with us. I'm not going to sit here and try to lie to you and tell you this, that, and third.
And I'm not going to sit in here and tell you what I didn't do or what I
for sure.
did. You know what I'm saying?
No, for sure.
I'm just listening to you.
Like I said, we're just waiting on a phone call. All right, we'll see you here in a little bit.
Take your hands out your pockets, please.
Okay.
Put your chest up against the wall over here. If you can, take your purse off for me.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm not trying to pull. I don't want to pull your hair. Can you go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, please?
Can I tie my hair up?
That's fine.
So Can's on their way to come get you here. Okay.
I'm gonna pull your hair up just a little bit. I don't want to pull it.
That's fine.
We can put two cuffs on there if one is not good.
I can roll my sleeves up on my face.
That's fine. We'll manage.
We're gonna put them in. Yeah.
They gonna come get me.
Yeah, they're gonna come get you.
Right.
Just hang out here for a minute. Off one right there.
139 claims. We've asked deputies on the regular location.
The officers arrest the pair based on the prior thefts and the recovered TVs.
We got two sets on you, so a little more comfortable for you.
You got anything on you, boss? Knives, explosives, hand grenades, weapons,
RPGs, landmines.
You'd be surprised what we found. So.
Because he's only asking because when we get you to the jail, if there's anything in there, it's a felony. We don't want to add on more charges or anything like that.
I'm just gonna check for weapons. Just turn around for me.
And then officer, turn around.
Face the wall.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Lean up against it for it. Officer Chandler's going to search you. Okay. Do you have anything in this purse? Nothing.
Oh, that's interesting.
My friends of this.
I had bags earlier. I bought something out of Target.
No, I'm saying interesting that you have a wad of Target bags. That's
three
bags. No, normally shoplifters have their bags, so then they can just conceal stuff in it. Let's just walk out.
We're going to go ahead and put you in the back seat of that Tahoe for right now. And then Canton PD will come here and they'll get you in their car.
Make the money on that car. It should be tomorrow.
We're just going to get you out of the sun. Hot. Can you tell Topic to open up his car?
That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, because it's all. It'll be on body cam, so yeah, you can just take pictures. We're not gonna have them pose for them, but yeah.
No, got it.
It's easier if you. There we go. That works.
I'm going to take.
I'll take that. Watch your knees and watch your elbow. Okay, we're gonna shut the door.
Come on.
The suspects are charged with felony shoplifting and issued bonds set at $4,875 each. And that's a wrap. Share your thoughts on these unbelievable shoplifters in the comments.